ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Monza Farms. Now, this week's video is a little different. This isn't from a farm. This is from a hands-on organic farming training I attended at GKVK Bangalore. As a part of this training, I got to be present for something truly special, a Miyawaki forest plantation. And here's the exciting part. This is the very first time GKVK is doing this, a historical moment, and I'm so proud to have witnessed it and had been a part of it. In this video, you will hear Mr. Boraya, Professor, explaining why this plantation matters, not just for biodiversity, but for natural farming itself.
1 square meter area, you can plant 3 to 5 saplings in 1 square meter area. The principle behind this is to that increases 10 times faster growth than normal plantation crops. That is one thing. And also second one, it having 30 times denser than the indigenous forest plants. That is the two principle of this Miyawaki system. Here, so we selected some of the indigenous local species. So those plants can be make use for our preparation of inputs for organic and natural farming. That is why we selected different species. These we bring from other institute in GKVK and also other institutes. So accordingly we made, already we have planted few plants. So in this this is a 8 guntas area. In this area nearly 2100 plants it accommodates in different shrubs, semi trees, sub trees, trees and canopy layers.
So what is this area, sir, in which we are doing?
So idu research institute and organic farming. So here first time we are introducing this type of Miyawaki planting in GKVK campus. So here why we people did this one because the organic and natural farming requires some organic inputs. So those inputs, that too especially for preparation of botanicals. So for preparation of botanicals, so by make use of whatever the plants we grown here, that can be make use for preparation of Agni Astra, Astra, Brahmastra, along with other plant extracts. Those this materials can be make use by doing or planting this type of system in Organic Research Institute.
So how have you planned this, sir?
So this in based on whatever the concept is, 1 square meter area you can plant 3 plants, 3 to 5 plants. So accordingly we can make so here we can make this small shrub. Okay na? So after that that is tree, just you see. So some of the semi shrubs, so those are all ground level, this one. Okay na? This one also, this one, this is a small ground level, this is a shrub. So likewise in between this one we plant other trees. So only for this program we can arrange some of the plants. So in this entire area, this is 8 guntas area. So here it accommodates nearly 2100 plants with yes, I told you, no, shrubs, sub trees, trees and also canopy layer. But here in canopy layer we are not in Miyawaki they are telling pipal tree, neem, jack, all those things are there. But here we are planting all along the borders. So accordingly we made, you see. So those are all some of the lemon tree. So then what is it, jack, there some water apple. So their plants are there.
So the plantation
in GKVK, the first idರಲ್ಲಿ high density planting. The meaning of that Miyawaki is, of course, yesterday our Madhyamurthy sir has explained what is Miyawaki and all. The principle of this one Miyawaki is to In 1 square meter area, you can have 3 to 5 plantings in 1 square meter area in different densities. So that too, shrubs, then medium trees, then tree layer, then canopy. So these are all the 4 layers. First one shrubs, sub trees, trees, then canopy layer. So this canopy layer means that it covers entire this one, then trees, then sub trees, then lower than that one. So here small shrubs. The main intention of this one is to the 10 times increases its growth as compared to our traditional practices as plantation crops. That is one thing. And also second one is 30 times denser than the normal plantation crops. So that is the two main concept. Why this Miyawaki is famous due to maintain the biodiversity. So it attracts birds, so other flies, beneficial microorganisms. So if you do this one, it will create a very good microclimate for all other than, of course, it will get some food for human beings as well as animals. So that is the concept behind this Miyawaki.
And that's the story of GKVK's first Miyawaki forest plantation. A small step, but that means so much for biodiversity. And